Welcome back, traders. Today, we have an incredible trading strategy to share with you that's specifically designed for the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for a new edge or a beginner eager to dive into the exciting world of scalping and crypto trading, this 1-minute scalping strategy is going to blow your mind. With its unique approach and adaptability, it's suitable for traders of every level, making it a must-have technique in your trading arsenal. So get ready to learn how to maximize your profits and seize opportunities in just 60 seconds. I'm going to walk you through this amazing 1-minute scalping trading strategy in detail. This strategy has been carefully crafted to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations in the crypto market, allowing you to make quick profits in just a minute. Whether you're a day trader or swing trader, this scalping technique is simple yet powerful enough to be applied by anyone. So buckle up and get ready to witness the magic of scalping in action. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart in a 1-minute time frame to explain this strategy. I'll cross out these indicators now so I can explain the strategy and the settings for these indicators from the beginning. Scalping indicators setup. So first of all, we need to add the 3 indicators to the chart. So for the first indicator, in the Indicators tab, we will search for trend lines with breaks. It is going to be this indicator by Lux Algo. The settings for this indicator will be changed. So we'll access the settings for this indicator, and in the input section, we will change the slope from 1 to 0 and enable the confirmed breakouts. A broken trend line is a technical signal that can suggest a change in trend is at hand. If low volume accompanies the break of a trend line, the signal is not as strong or convincing. It can make sense to wait a day or two to make sure that the trend line break is legitimate. Now for the second indicator, again we will access the Indicators tab and search for the SSL hybrid, in which we also need to change some settings. So in the Style section of the settings, make sure to uncheck all these options. We will not need them in our strategy, and they just make the chart more difficult to understand. Now let's add our third and final indicator to the chart. So for the third indicator, in the search bar of the Indicator section, we need to search for the Moving Average Conversions Diversions, also known as MACD, and add this one to the chart. By the way, we will also change some settings for this indicator. Make sure in the Style section, the MACD and the signal lines are disabled. So after this is done, our chart will be set and ready for the strategy. By the way, if you guys want buy and sell trade signals for free, you can join my Telegram. The link is in the description. What is scalping? I have used the term scalping many times in this video, so here's a small explanation of what scalping trading actually is. Scalping is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes and making a fast profit off reselling. In day trading, scalping is a term for a strategy to prioritize making high volumes off small profits. Scalping requires a trader to have a strict exit strategy because one large loss could eliminate the many small gains the trader worked to obtain. Thus, having the right tools and the stamina to place many trades is required for this strategy to be successful. Now let's see how we can enter profitable buy trades using this strategy. Buy trade rules. So for a valid buy signal, the following conditions must be met. First of all, the price action must be closed above the SSL hybrid line, and the line must be blue in color. After this, we will wait for the trend lines with breaks indicators to spot a bullish break, and this happens when the price action crosses and closes above this upper trend line, like it did here. So after these 2 conditions are fulfilled, we will see if the MACD confirms this breakout signal. And for that, the histogram must be above the 0 line. So when all these conditions are fulfilled, we can enter a buy position. So I'll quickly open a buy position here. The stop loss should be set at the recent swing low. When the price action reaches a 1-to-1 risk to reward, the stop loss is going to be moved to the break even. And for the take profit, it will be set at 2 times the risk. Now let's see if this trade will be profitable or not. Please make sure you stay patient and only enter when all the conditions are confirmed. We can see the market hit our target easily. Now let's see if we can find another buy trade. Here we can see again, we got a bullish breakout signal. And we know the signal is valid because the price is above the SSL hybrid channel and the line is blue in color. So for final confirmation, we will see if the MACD histogram is above the 0 level. And as we see, all the conditions are fulfilled. So we can open a buy position here. After the position is opened, the stop loss will be set at the recent swing low. And the risk to reward ratio will be set at 1 to 2. Now let's see if this trade will be profitable or not. I hope you guys have understood this strategy well. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade through this strategy. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a four-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. Sell trade rules. When it comes to selling, we have a different set of rules to follow. First, we want to see the price action close below the red SSL hybrid line, and the line should be red. It's a clear sign that things are heading in the bearish direction. Second, we pay attention to the trend lines and look for the trend line with breaks indicator to give a bearish breakout signal that suggests a downward trend. After that, we're specifically looking for the MACD histogram to close below the zero line, indicating a potential decline, as it adds more weight to our selling decision. So as all the conditions are fulfilled, we will open a sell position here. And of course, to protect ourselves, we place the stop loss at the recent swing high, ensuring we limit our potential losses. And as for our take profit target, we will aim for a ratio of 2 to 1, offering a good potential return. And again, when the market reaches a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1, you can move your stop loss to the break-even point, making sure we secure our initial investment. As we can see, the rules for the strategy are really clear and easy to understand. After some time, we can see the market hit our target easily, making this a profitable sell trade. If you guys want buy and sell signals like these for free, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Let's go through one more example of a sell trade. Here we can see the candle is below the SSL line and the line is red. And we got a bearish breakout signal here. Finally, we can see the MACD also confirmed this signal as it is below the zero level. So I'll quickly open a sell position here following the money management rule. You guys should definitely give this strategy a try, and also make sure you forward test it with paper money first before trading. So this is going to be it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I will see you guys in the next video.